Many calligraphers write alphabets to show their skills. I personally don't like to. Here I wrote alphabet, but it's a word in a special poem. The bird is an alphabet. It flies above us, catch as catch can, a flock, a travel plan. Some never touch the ground. I wrote the following lines from the poem on the reverse of the calfskin vellum. And each flight is an arc to buttress the sky, alone to the sky. And the little words we make of them, the single feathers, dropped for us to recover, fall and fall, a nimble armour. From A Feather for Voltaire by Jorie Graham. A nimble armour? It seems unlikely to describe feathers as armour, yet we all face predators. I cast the vellum in resin with some guinea fowl spotted feathers. My unlikely additions are the fishing flies, lures to catch prey among the feathers. Every rose has its defensive prickles, perhaps like most of us. Francis Bacon wrote, "There is no exquisite beauty without some strangeness in the proportion." While this might have been the 20th century painter, it was written by Francis Bacon, 1st Viscount St. Alban, in the 17th century. Strangeness adds mystery and depth, inviting deeper understanding and appreciation. Under heaven, all can see beauty as beauty only because there is ugliness. From the Tao Te Ching. The bubbles in my cast resin show my lack of perfection in this, for me, a new process. But again, I prefer quirkiness to perfection, rough edges, liveliness, not only in the writing, but everywhere in life and art. The stand has plant material among more feathers, as if floating in a pond. I deliberately tried to add more bubbles. My work is an alternative to beautifully glib alphabets, for those who like to read and think.